Hello everyone, my name is Kristen. Today I am going to show you how I did these witchy nails that my client found either on Instagram or Pinterest, not sure which one. But she found the picture of the design and brought it to me. And of course this is a lot shorter version of what she brought me, but I love it. Every time I get so excited. She always finds the best designs or comes up with the best designs, so I get real excited every time she is due for her new set. In today's video I'm going to focus mainly on the design, so I've already gone in and removed the old design, cleaned up the cuticles, prepped the nail with some Prime and Bond by Young Nails, and did her backfill with some clear acrylic so that I could lay these colored acrylics over. The colored acrylics I'm using today are by Glam and Glitz. So I've used two different colors. The first one that I'm laying right now is a combination of Briney and Almost Nude. We wanted that red brown that Briney is, but it was a lot darker than what we needed. We needed a little bit lighter. So I went ahead and just added a little bit of that to some Almost Nude. Then the other color that I'm going to use is just the Almost Nude. They are not strength powders and need to be capped in clear anyway, so I do not worry about my apex or anything at this point. The pinky and the middle finger are full nails of the custom color I made, and then the ring finger and the thumb are ombres, and the pointer finger is a full nail of the Almost Nude.
I just hope you've been through worse. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lighting, don't wanna pick a fight with it. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself.
Here I'm going to go ahead and do those ombres of the two colors, the Almost Nude and the custom color, and they are very, very wet. You can see how wet I am working with them so that they're not chalky and they kind of just flow into one another. And on a couple of them I did have to go back in and bring the first color that I laid down up over the second color again. But for the most part, it didn't go too bad. I just went ahead and just played with it until I liked how the ombre looked. Both of these colors do have a beautiful little shimmer to them, but of course you don't see it real well in the final product because we went ahead and did a nude top coat.
Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run and only leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts. Quiero ser el hombre de tu vida, tener niños y estar en...
Now that I am done laying all my colors, I'm going to go ahead and encapsulate all the nails, especially those ombre nails. I worked so hard for them, I don't want to mess them up. So I'm going to go ahead and just encapsulate, and at this point I will establish an apex.
Me conoces súper bien. Tú me viste y te subiste al tren. Todo vale contigo, hasta nuestros amigos se enamoran de la forma que nos ven. Enamorados somos dos. Mami, te lo digo, tú eres mi abrigo cuando va el sol. que sé es que sin ti no es lo mismo, amor. No escuchemos lo que digan los demás. Desde chiquitos sabíamos alguna vez se daría este sueño de estar en pie al lado de la que amo, la que más adoro, la que me ha impregnado su amor en mi piel. Tu amor, esas nubes grises se vuelven color. Yo con tanto frío, tú me das calor. Listo para vivir contigo primaveras. Por favor, tócame, es quien eres la mejor. De esta hermosa saga soy el escritor. De vivir contigo estas primaveras. Quiero ser tu amor tuyo. Contigo yo me siento en control. Quiero ser tu amor tuyo. Besándonos a la puesta del sol. Quiero ser el hombre de tu vida. Tener niños y estar en un altar. Tu belleza, eso no se me olvida. Ni tus besos y tus chistes al azar.
I'm going to go ahead and finish file and buff the nails off camera, and then I will be back to do the hand painted design.
I might go too fast. I don't care about those limits.
Colors that I'm using in the hand painted design came from the Mission Control gel paints by Young Nails, and I used the white, the black, and the brown.
Suddenly I feel so rich.
So during this process, I do have her flash cure a lot. In between each color that I lay down, I go ahead and have her flash cure it so that I can lay the next color. As you could see, I touched it right there. It didn't move. It's been flash cured. I am now safe to go ahead and put the white over it without making a muddy mess. The art brush I'm using is the new one of the new ones from Not Polish.
Anything other than thinking about you. So thinking, are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. Don't wanna go too fast. 'Cause I know that people get scared sometimes. Hope it's not this time. 'Cause I might go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich.
In case anybody's wondering what that little brush I'm using is to clean up my mistake, it is called a micro brush, and you can buy those on Amazon. So I went ahead and left this part in so I could show you guys how I work. I go ahead and put her hand into flash cure, and I grab the other hand and just go ahead and do the next thing needed on that hand, so that I'm constantly doing something, so it cuts down on my time a lot.
Thinking about you. So thinking, are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I know we just met, but it feels like I know you. We love the same things. You want a house in Malibu. Are you feeling the same way I do? Are you feeling the same way I do? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So thinking, are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you.
And here you're going to see me have her cure and work on the other hand again, just because on her other hand, I started falling out of camera shot, but luckily I recorded both hands, so pretty much from here on out, you'll see whichever hand was in screenshot best for each design.
Esta vez sentía que era eterno, tus besos fríos como el invierno, lo sé, pero tal vez estás con otro que no te quieres, pero yo te quisiera más que mil.
The white dots on the snake really added so much to him. I loved the snake. I think that was my favorite nail of the set. It was so cute.
Pero así es la vida, baby, tiene que doler para sanar y cerrar esta herida. Y se siente vivir cuando no estás. Lo que viví no se olvida. Oh yeah, ¿qué tal si algún día nos vemos? Y me acuerdo de esos instantes. Si dejáramos el pasado y esos besos, pero los dos nos amaríamos como antes. Es que no es la realidad, pero si fuera verdad, creo que me parará todo ese dolor. Pero no me llevará a donde yo quiera estar, sin una imaginación a tu alrededor. El cielo está nublado y solo hoy, porque el sol me dijo, baby, ya me voy. Es duro que tú me trates como estoy. Yo por nadie cambiaría lo que soy. El cielo está nublado y solo hoy, porque el sol me dijo, baby, ya me voy. Es duro que tú me trates como estoy. Deja cicatrices, tiene que doler para sanar y cerrar esta herida. Y se siente vivir cuando no estás. Pero así es la vida, baby, tiene que doler para sanar y cerrar esta herida. Y se siente vivir cuando no estás. Lo que viví no se olvida. Todo nos separa, pero nada nos une. No lo arreglamos aunque tengo todo tune. El tiempo, lo siento, está perdido. Dale todo a lo no correspondido. Vea, que no te tenga a ti. Ya muchos quieren de mí, pero yo las dejo en visto. Obvio que por eso te seguí. Es que me hiciste sentir como si yo fuera Cristo. El cielo está nublado y solo hoy, porque el sol me dijo, baby, ya me voy. Es duro que tú me trates como estoy. Yo por nadie cambiaría lo que soy. El cielo está nublado y solo hoy, porque el sol me dijo, baby, ya me voy. Es duro que tú me trates como estoy. Deja cicatrices, tiene que doler para sanar y cerrar esta herida. Y se siente vivir cuando no estás. Pero así es la vida, baby, tiene que doler para sanar y cerrar esta herida. Y se siente vivir cuando no estás. Lo que viví no se olvida.
So the mushrooms were fun to do. It is kind of a design that overlaps itself. So I had to paint the first cap, mushroom cap, and then cure that. Then I went and did the stem, which ultimately we decided was a little light, and I went back and darkened it up. So if you notice that, that's what we did on there. So then I had to do this first stem, cure it, go ahead and do the second cap, which overlaps the first stem just a little bit, cure it, and then did the last stem. I hope that made sense.
Don't wanna pick a fight when everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you wanna know me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's brave. just hope you've been through worse. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm delighted. Don't wanna pick a
This design had a crescent moon, which of course is my nemesis, but they actually both went really well. I think I got them both first shot.
help myself. Would you help me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run? I don't believe in this mark. But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts. One who's breaking hearts.
Now that I've finished the design, I'm going to go ahead and top coat, and I'll be using Not Polish Matte It. I go ahead and do 2 coats of that. After I get this first coat on, I'm going to go ahead and have her just do a little pause at the camera so that you could see what this set would look like shiny. She did ultimately want it matte, and I think hand painted designs really look really good in matte, so that's what we decided on. This pretty much wraps up my video. I'm going to go ahead and apply some cuticle oil, massage it in for her, and then we'll give you a little video of the final product. And you know I have to ask if you could please like, share, subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Thank you to all my new subscribers I've gotten lately. I really appreciate it. And here they are. I will see you all in the next one. Bye!
Quiero ser el hombre de tu vida, tener niños y estar en un altar. Tu belleza, eso no se me olvida, ni tus besos.